Hello, and welcome to Oktoberfest 2021. In this video, we will introduce you with our loved app, Jira Workflow Toolbox. Jira Workflow Toolbox helps improve processes in two major areas: improved governance and associated higher data quality, and reduced manual effort to minimize time and costs. Every company and every team probably knows more complex processes that run in several stages, but also according to recurring patterns. No matter how simple or complex your workflow use cases are, Jira Workflow Toolbox is capable of efficient handling and automating numerous use cases. Let's take the visit to the Oktoberfest as an example. Since this event will unfortunately be cancelled again in 2021, we are planning a visit to the event that will hopefully take place in 2022. If this scenario has to be fitted into Jira, one would probably start with the main ticket as an epic, and then manually record all the tasks that would arise around the visit one after another. One would create tasks such as organization of the journey, accommodation in a hotel, managing necessary costumes like the leather pants, the activities on site that must not be missed in any case, and visit to some stalls and booths along the way. Is this what you feel after seeing all those repetitive manual steps for creating tasks? However, since this is an operation in which at least the majority of the tasks occur repeatedly, it makes sense to automate parts of it. So, let's take a look at how this kind of planning can work if I work with smart workflows and processes. It is sufficient to create an epic with all the relevant information, and at the push of a button, the entire framework around it is created automatically. Jira Workflow Toolbox does all the magic under the hood. However, this is not only about automation, but also about process quality, as mentioned at the beginning. So, let's look at what happens if I want to start my journey before I have made all the preparations. Since this would end in an inconsistent state, this transition is blocked. With Jira Workflow Toolbox, you can set restriction where you can only travel before you are in a proper Oktoberfest outfit. With the process being simplified, and the workload being reduced, more time is available for important things. In this case, drinking a moss. However, one should not overdo it here, either. If it should be a beer too much, process can intervene here as well and prevent worse. With smart workflow solution like this, you can simply restrict them riding the toboggan after 3 moss of beers. How cool is that? With this in mind, have fun planning the Oktoberfest 2022. See you there. Although this was admittedly a very specific use case, hopefully, it is clear that Jira Workflow Toolbox can help with any complex scenario. Whether it is an IT, marketing, legal or HR team. Automating the creation of issues, updating fields, or even performing status changes adds value to almost every corner of Jira. Visit us to explore more.